everyone. Tie the hairs on the back like this. After that, tie it from the between as well and then rotate it as shown in the video. Now we will fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Tie the hairs using a rubber band, fix it using a bun pin and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs. After that, divide the hairs into two parts. Tie them from the between and then rotate it. Now join the hairs together and fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Tie it properly and fix it carefully and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back like this and then rotate it. After that, we will tie the hairs from the between as well. Rotate it and then fix it on the top by rotating it again. And then we will tie all the hairs together by rolling it like this. Divide them first and then roll them together and fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it using a hairpin and your hair bun will be ready. Next, tie a high ponytail. Divide the hairs into two parts and then roll it together. Pull out the hairs from the sides and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it using the hairpin. Fold it carefully and tightly and your bun will be ready. Next, take the hairs on the back like this and then make the plaits on it. After we are done with the plaits, we will take the hairstyling tool and fix the hairs from the sides inside the plait like this. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Fix the hairs together. After that, we will tie all the hairs together and make the plaits on all the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Put the plaits inside the hairs and hide it and then your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.